Now, the volume, when we refer to finding the volume of something, when you think of volume, think of finding the number of cubic units that would be needed to fill a solid. Now, the answer when you're working with volume is always going to be labeled as cubic units. Now, let's take a look at what do we use to find the volume of a cone. The volume of a cone is found by taking 1/3 times the area of the base, which in a cone, of course, is a circle, times the height. So we could substitute and write this at 1/3 times the area of our circular base times the height, and the area of a circle is pi r squared. V equals 1/3 times pi r squared times the height. Let's use this in an example. We want to find the volume of the cone that we have here. To do that, let's find out what some of our values are going to be. Remember, volume equals 1/3 times pi. I'm going to go ahead and put in 3.14 as a rounded value for pi. Then we need our radius squared. From the drawing, you can see that our radius is 3. So we're going to have 3 squared. We will then multiply that by the height. The height of our cone is 10 feet. So we will multiply by 10. After we do our multiplication here, we can square 3, giving us 9. So we're going to have 1/3 times 3.14 times 9 times 10. After multiplying all of that out, we'll have our final answer, which is 94.2. So we can conclude then that the volume of our cone is about 94, and don't forget when you identify this to label it as cubic units. So in this case, we're going to have 94 cubic feet. That's a look at finding the volume of a cone. When you're trying to find the volume of a cone, take 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. Work well.